Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the science lecture. We are writing the question answers of simple machines lesson. See here. Today we are going to write the observe and discuss, which is given in the textbook page number 84. Answer for that question we are going to write today. See, observe and discuss, textbook page number 84. Picture is given there in the textbook. In the following pictures, see pictures. These pictures are given in the textbook. The following pictures, certain devices are used to accomplish certain tasks more easily. Name the devices and discuss how they help. In the above pictures, we can see needle, wheelbarrow, bottle opener, nail cutter, pulley, and an axe. All of these are simple machines. And what is the use of this machine? Number one, needle. Needle helps in stitching and joining the two separate parts of the cloth. Wheelbarrow helps to pull heavy loads of luggage with ease. Bottle opener is used to open the sealed cap easily. Nail cutter is used for trimming the nails with ease and safety. Pulley helps to lift the weights with ease. We can pull up the things efficiently with the help of a pulley. An axe is used for chopping the wood. These are all the uses of simple machines given in this picture. We'll move on to the next question now. Question is in the textbook. Can you tell? Textbook page number 84. Observe the machines shown in the following pictures. For what purposes are they used? Can you name some other machines of this kind? First of all, you see which pictures are given here. Motorbike, cycle, swing machine, mixer, and wheelchair. And what are the uses of these machines? What purpose they are used? That we are going to see now. What you have to do, you take your science notebook and write the answers in the notebook. By heart that and write one time, mail me as homework. Okay, copy down the answers in the notebook. If you have page in the workbook, you can write there also. See, first picture, mixer. Mixer is used for grinding the food items and is widely used in kitchens. Scooter is a two-wheeler. It can take us to desirable place in short time. Bicycle is a vehicle which does not require any fuel and can take us to short distances. It works on our muscular energy. Next question. Next answers. Sewing machine helps us to stitch the cloth in a short time, less labor and with great efficiency. Next point, invalid persons and sick patients cannot walk on their own. They have to be helped by a wheelchair. Due to the wheelchair, these people who have lost the ability to move can go from one place to another. And then the next machine, vehicles for transport such as motor car, train and household appliances. Can you name some other machines of this kind? This is the answer for that question. Vehicles for transport such as motor car, train and household appliances like air conditioner, refrigerators, water pumps, fans and elevators used in tall buildings are all machines used in daily life. The next question. Take screenshot, otherwise pause the video and write down directly in the workbook. Some pictures are given. They are classified into three groups, group A, B and C. And what is the question? To which type of lever does each of the above group belong? Some machines are given in group A, some are given in group B and some are given in group C. Look at the machine and you have to say which group, which type of lever does each of the following group belong. See, observe the pictures first of all and then you have to answer the question. Already I have told you which type of, three type of lever are there. What are they? First order, second order and third order. In first order, fulcrum is in the center. In the second order, load is in the center. In the third order, effort is in the center. You have to remember these always. And then according to that, you have to say the answer. Which type of lever? Group A. We are going to see the answer now. Answer group A, third type lever. In third type lever, effort will be in the center. Fulcrum is fulcrum on one side, load on the other side. Group B, first type lever. In the first type lever, fulcrum in the center, load on one side, effort on the other side. Group C, second type lever. In the second type lever, load in the center, fulcrum on one side, effort on the other side. Understood? If you have doubt, you take the textbook and see. Otherwise, you note the doubt in the notebook and ask me in the doubt clearing session or online lecture session. Understood? We'll move on to the next question now. Then last one, activity or experiment. Do it at home, keep it with you. Cut out a triangular piece of paper A, B, C. Draw a red line along the edge A, C. Roll the paper around the pencil as shown in the picture. What do you see? Already when I explained the lesson, I told you. So you can do it at home easily. This is an experiment. This is a time pass too. So do it at home. Okay. टाइम पास के लिए भी बना सकते हैं घर में. ओके. विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. हैव अ गुड डे. बाय.